Welcome to Technical Laboratory YouTube channel.
SQL operators. In this video, I discuss about SQL operators. What is operator? Operator which perform operations between operands. An operator is a reserved word or a character used primarily in an SQL statements where clause to perform operations such as comparisons and arithmetic operations. Operators are used to specify conditions in an SQL statement and to serve as conjunction for multiple conditions in a statement. There are mainly four type operators are used in SQL: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operators, and operators used to negate conditions. In this video, I discuss about arithmetic operators and comparisons operators and also implement in MySQL. So at first, SQL arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, and modulus operators which performs the operations between variables. SQL arithmetic operator. Addition operator. Addition operator perform the addition operation between two operands. Suppose here is a two variable a and b. A stores 10 and b stores 20. If we perform the addition operator between two these variables, we get the result a plus b as a 30. If we perform subtraction operators between two these variables, we get the result as a 10, a minus b or 20 minus 10 as a 10. Multiplication operator. If we perform the multiplication operator between these two variable a and b, we get a into b equals to 10 into 20 as a 200. If we perform division operator between these two variables a and b, we get the value as a 2, b by a or 20 by 10 as a 2. If we perform the modulus operator between these two variables a and b, we get the result as a 0. Because modulus, if we perform modulus operation between two variables, the remainders is the result of modulus operation. Suppose b holds 12 and a holds 10, then if we perform the modulus operation between b and a, then the result is, or remainder of completing the operations of modulus operator, the remainder is 2. So result is b modulus a as a 2. Now we perform these arithmetic operations in MySQL. At first, addition operator. Select select 20 plus 10 semicolon, the result is 20 plus 10 equals to 30 after performing the addition operations. Next, subtraction operations. Select 20 minus 10 semicolon, the result is 20 minus 10 equals to 10 after performing subtraction operator between two operands 20 and 10. Next, multiplication operation. Select 20 into 10 semicolon. After performing multiplication operations or multiplication operator between two variables 20 and 10, the result is 200. Next one, division operator. Select 20 division 10 semicolon. We get the result 20 by 10, or after performing the division operations between 20 by 10 we get the result as a 2. Next, modulus operation. Select 12 modulus operator semicolon. We get the result as a after performing the modulus operation between 12 and 10, the remainder is 2. So the result is, or output is 2. About SQL comparison operator. There are many comparison operator in SQL. Number 1, equals to operator, which checks the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition become true. Suppose there are two variables A and B. A contains 10 and B contains 20. If we check A and if I want to check A or B is equal, then I perform the comparison, I perform the operations between these two variables A equals to B. If it is true, then the outcome is true, or if it is not true, then outcome is not true. Next one is not equals to, which checks the value of two operands are equal or not. If values are not equal, then conditions become true. I can write, or we can write as A not equals to B. Here A holds 10 and B holds 20, so this result is true. Greater than, less than. This operator checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If values are not equal, then conditions become true. Greater than. This comparison operator checks the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition become true. We can write, or I can write as a within small parenthesis A greater than B. Less than operator, which checks the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then conditions become true. We can write as a within small parenthesis A less than B is true. Greater than equals to, which checks the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then conditions become true. We can write as a within small parenthesis A greater than B is not true. Next one, less than equals to, which checks the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then conditions become true. We can write as a within small parenthesis A less than equals to B. If it is true, then the result is true. If it is false, then the result is false. Not less than, check if the value of left operand is not less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition become true. We can write as a not less than B within small parenthesis. If true, then result is true. If false, then the result is false. Not greater than, which checks the value of left operand is not greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then conditions become true. Let us consider the customer table having the following records. This table contains ID, name, age, address, salary. Whose ID is 1, the name is Ram, age 32, address Murshidabad, salary 2000. Whose ID is 2, name Krishna, age 25, address Malda, salary 1500. Whose ID is 3, the name is Kaushik, age 23, address is Nodia and salary 2000, and so on. I create this customer table by create table command. Now I check the first comparison operator or equals to operator by writing this SQL query. So write the query start from customers is the table name, customer, where is used for conditions. In SQL there are 3 clauses: select clause, from clause and where clause. Where is used for condition checking, where salary I want to check by this query the salary of the customers or salary of the employee is equals to 20,000. By writing this query we get the results of the employee or customer whose salary is equals to 20,000. Equals to 20,000. Semicolon. See the results. Ram and Kaushik has same salary. Next, I want to check not equals to. I write the query select star from customer where salary not equals to 20,000. Not equals to 20,000. See the results. Krishna, Chintu, Hriday, Pintu, Arpon has not salary equals to 20,000. Next one, take greater than less than operator which checks the value of two operands are equal or not. If value are not equal, then conditions became true. I write the query select star from customer where salary greater than less than 20,000 semicolon. टर्मिनेटर बात देता हूँ. Next I want to check less than comparison operator. Check the result from the table. Krishna has salaries below 1,500. This query perform the operation less than 20,000 and give the output as a Krishna has salary less than 1,500. Next I perform the operations greater than equals to. See the results. Ram, Kaushik, Chintu, Hriday and Pittu Arpon has salary greater than or equals to 20,000. Now I perform less than equals to operations. See the results. Ram, Krishna and Kaushik has the salary less than or equals to 20,000. Ram has salary 20,000, so results after performing the less than equals to comparison operations, Ram has salary 20,000 and Kaushik has salary 20,000 and Krishna salary less than 20,000. So the result is so this give the results of Krishna. Next I perform not less than. Empty set, not less than 20,000. Why the query gives the result empty set? Because in this table no employees has salary less than not 20,000. Next, not greater